Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 9 is going to be vitamin E. Now vitamin E is good because it helps boost the immune system as well as reduces blood clots from forming in your body. Okay? Foods that are rich in vitamin E are going to be almonds, peanuts, sunflower seeds, spinach, broccoli, and much more. So make sure you stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 9 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, X's. Number 2, sumo squats. Number 3, Russian twist. And number 4, the dreaded burpees. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So for Fast 5 workout number 9, these are the 4 exercises you're gonna do. Number 1, as I mentioned, was X's. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your feet shoulder width apart. And what you're gonna do is hop right in place. And then you're gonna put your feet together, moving forward like this. And then you're gonna open your feet up again like you're making a letter X. So again, together, open. So it's gonna look like this in full motion. You're gonna go hop, together, hop, together. So you're gonna go back and forth. Okay, making that X. Second, sumo squat. So instead of doing a regular squat, which is feet shoulder width apart, you're actually gonna go a little bit wider than your shoulders, okay? And you're gonna drop your bottom, nice and low. All right, so we got those sumo squats. Then we got Russian twist, so we're gonna go down to our mats if you have one. If not, that's okay. What you're gonna do is slightly elevate your torso, your hands, you're gonna go and touch together the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're just gonna go back and forth, okay? That's Russian twist. And the dreaded burpee, yes. You guys knew it was coming sooner or later, okay? So, if you do not know how to do a burpee, this is how I will step it out for you, okay? You can do this. First, you're gonna go ahead and pop your feet out. Again, you can do this in steps. You're gonna go down into a push-up-like position. So you're gonna place your hands going forward. Don't turn your wrist. As I mentioned, that could actually ruin your wrist. So go down. You're gonna kick your feet out, okay? Bring your feet in, and then jump up, okay? That's a burpee. Now this is how it looks facing you guys. Scoot this over a little bit. Again, I'm gonna step it out just so you can see it. Hands go down, feet go out, feet go in, and jump, okay? If you wanna make that more challenging, which it's just a recommendation, you guys can do it in one motion. So go down, feet out, pop your feet in, and jump. All right, so get ready to go. We'll start this Fast 5 workout in just a moment. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. If you guys have some chalk, you can make that. 2 circles up top, 1 in the middle, 2 circles on the bottom. If you have tape, you can do that as well. Feel your heart rate climbing. All right, sumo squats, open those feet up and go, squat. And wider than your shoulders. As low as you can. Your legs are gonna feel really tight. Woo! Good job. Keep it work, my friends. Remember, our new saying, okay, just finish. Whatever you start in life, finish it. All right, getting down to this Russian twist. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Remember, tap each side. Nice and slow. Try to keep your feet elevated and as straight as possible. Try not to hit the floor. Side to side. 5 more seconds. All right, let's go for the burpees. All right, so love you tomorrow. Oh, actually, did a quick before. Step, step. Ready to step up points. The next round, I'll go into the pool. This is probably the least favorite exercise of anybody. All right, 1 minute break. I've yet to hear one person who says, absolutely love burpees. Haven't heard it. You know somebody? Drop a comment below, that's pretty awesome. Mr. Garcia, I'm a little 50-50 on it. Some days I'll want to pop up and do it. Other days, not so much. Again, use this 1 minute break. Catch your breath, get some water. 30 more seconds. All right. Again, we're gonna start with number 1, X's, 2 sumo squats, 3 Russian twists, 4 burpees this time. I'm gonna add that push up into my burpee. Again, you guys go at your own pace, whatever you feel comfortable with. Done. All right. All right, here we go. Go. Remember, just finish. Don't quit. This is our last round. You got it. Come on. Do more reps than you did the first time. All right, sumo squats, let's go, wider. Remember to breathe. Let's get down, Russian twist. 2 more guys, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Side to side. Don't quit on me, just finish, let's go. Work hard. All right, let's go, burpees, last one. Everything you got. Woo. Everything you got. And time. Nice job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. If you have somebody there, fist bump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 9. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Drop a comment below. What was your biggest challenge for this workout? What was your favorite exercise for this workout? I'd like to know, so drop a comment below. What exercises you would like to see, drop them down in the comment section. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to our channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun game for you guys. Today it's called the crane game. Now, how many of you guys ever went to an arcade or somewhere fun like Chuck E. Cheese or whatnot, and they had this little crane where you got to drop the claw and it grabs something? Well, we're going to create a P.E version of that game, so I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy yourself. When you guys have your claw ready to go, what you're going to need to do is have a bucket or some sort of area where that's going to be like your target, or where you're going to drop the items off. One side will be the items you're going to collect as if it's in the box of the claw game, and then you're going to have to carry it over with your item, with your claw, and then drop them off. If the item falls before it gets inside of the bucket, then it does not count. You have to put it right back into the pile. So the goal is to do this in 1 minute. See how many items you can collect in 1 minute using your new claw. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna go and try it out. Here we go. I'm gonna start the game in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna try to grab this animal's arm here. Again, you can use anything you have, stuffed animals. Maybe you have whatever you guys have at home, definitely use to play this game. It's really fun. Okay. So far I have one item. Oh, that one came undone. Leg. Shoot the fin. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, you shot the ball. That's 2. Time, Jordan.
1.
Alright, so my highest score was 2. Hope you guys can beat me. Drop a comment below. What was your score? How did you do? How did the activity go for you? So, hope you guys enjoyed this game, and I look forward to next time. Take care. Jordan's going to take on the challenge. He's going to do the 1 minute train game challenge. Here we go, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Remember, my grand total was 2 items, so not as easy as it looks, huh, Jordan? What do you guys think? Do you think Jordan's gonna beat me? Drop a comment below. Different approach. He's trying to scoop it, and then he's gonna try to grab it. We're at 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2,